Here we have an example of a solved first layer. Second layer is not solved, and that's a little more challenging, and we'll do that in a moment. To show this process, I'm going to use this cube again because it really allows us to see where all the pieces are moved to as we work. Let me show you a very common situation. We need one of our pieces to go up here, and it's down here in the lower layer. This example will work for all situations where the piece you desire is in the lower layer. First, place the desired piece directly below where you want it to be. Resist the temptation to turn it up to the top, because what that does is it brings this one down to the lower layer, which is a problem. To make things simpler, if you learn to turn the face that the piece is on, that keeps this piece that was here on the top layer and allows me to move the bottom layer, get the piece where I want it to be, and then bring it back to the top. Suppose the piece that I want here is down on the bottom. The good news is it's very similar to the last one. I put the piece that I want to be on top directly below where I want it to be. And then it actually doesn't matter which way I turn this. I just need to turn this one. And if you look behind, there's the piece I want. By doing this, again, this is safely in the top layer. I can move this into a position where it's in the side of the lower layer. Bring that back up. And now it's just like last time. It's in the lower layer on the side. Again, it's on this face. So I turn, bring it over to where it's supposed to be, and then I bring it back up again. In this situation, it's pretty challenging because the piece I want to be here is here, and somehow I have to get it up to there. Following similar rules, if it's on this face, then rotate that face so that these pieces are safely in the upper layer. I then move it out of the way so that I can move this back safely. And once again, my piece is in a location that I can work with now. It's on this face, so I turn, bring it over, and then bring it back up. All of these moves quickly get the location of the pieces in the right spots.